how are you all? I hope that you all are fine. My name is Virda Nirali from Saraswati Group of Education, and today in this session of chapter number 5, session number 2, we are going to see the vocabulary section of this chapter, means some of the pronunciation part, one of the grammar topic and dictionary selection. Okay, so these are the things which we are going to see in this session. Okay, so our first topic is anagrams. Our first topic is anagram. Now, what do you mean by anagram? Anagrams means what? Okay, so if you don't know, then you don't need to worry about that. We are going to learn in this session that what are the anagrams. Okay, so anagrams are nothing but anagrams are such a rearrangement of letters to form a new word. For example, once I am writing over here word, now did you notice something over here, that what is the difference over here? Here O, W and N means it gives a new word, that is own. Now by using these letters only, I have written another word, that is W-O-N, won. So it gives also a different meaning. So by using the same letters, if you are creating a new word, by using the same letters of these words, you are creating a new word, then such kind of words are known as anagrams. So such a rearrangement of letters to form a new word, rearrangement of letters to form a new word is called an anagram. As I told you, rearrangement के letters चाहिए, तो जो letters है उसको आप rearrange करते हो, then of letters to form a new word, then such kind of words are known as anagram. Okay, so let me give you some more example. Now here I have written one. Now from this one I want to make some another letter, then another word, then I can also make it out from that one, then I can write now and OW. So with this, by using these words, we can make many of the new words, right? By rearranging the letter of the words, then we can make many of the new words. Over here, dear, then read. So you can see over here that how these words are used. So I hope that you have cleared that actually what the anagrams are. Anagrams are nothing but they are just the rearrangement of letters to form a new words is called an anagram. Now, if somebody asks you that what is anagram, then you must know that anagrams are nothing but they are just the rearrangement of letters. Okay, letters को आप rearrange कर दो और कोई नया word बन जाता है, then such kind of words are known as anagrams. Okay, now let's see some of exercise also so that you can understand that thing better. Okay, so here I am writing some of the questions. pets, pest, stem and rest, stem, rest, right? So now number 4, snow, sink, item. Now for snow, swim, 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 owls and swan, owls and swan. Then afterwards, scan, king, ink, scan, king, ink, and number D, skin. Then afterward, dine, time, dine, time, mine, and last D is right, R-I-T. So here I have written words and the A, B, C and D options are given to you. Now what you are supposed to do, that your pool is written. Now with the help of these letters you are supposed to make a new word. So which word is correct from these 4 options that you have to identify कि ये 4 लेटर्स ही आने चाहिए और एक नया वर्ड भी बनना चाहिए. तो इसमें कौन कौन से लेटर है? P, O, O and L. So now we have to see that these words are coming. Which word is that? P, O, O, L. So P, O, L, O, polo is a new word. Now here L, O, O, K is there. But K is not over here. So this word will not come. Right? Then L, O, O, M is there. M is also not over here. So this word will also not come. S, O, L, O. S is not there. So that word will also not come. So the correct answer is polo. P-O-L-O. Okay? So you are supposed to tick mark on polo. Then afterward, bats. B-A-T-S. Now here, you have to see that which letters are there? B, A, T and S. Now you have to see from this which word will come. B, here it is E. Right? Okay, here it will come A. B, A, T, S. So here also it comes tab is a new word. B, E, T, S. E is not over here. R, A, T, S. R is also not over here. B, E, S, T. Again E is not there. So the correct word is stem. Then afterward step. S, T, E, P. We want the letters S, T, E and P. Here H came. So this will not come. S, T, E, P. Paste. So paste. This word will come. Yes. Again this will not come. M is not there. R is also not there. This word will also not come. So the correct answer is B. Paste. Okay. Then afterwards snow. So the letters which we want are S, N, O, W. So here I is there. So this word will not come. S, N, O, W. Sown. So yes, this word is correct. So the tick mark on that. Then afterwards sink. S-I-N-K, the letters. Sink. This will not come. C is there. Again king will not come. Ink is a 3-letter word, so that will also definitely not come. Because here it is a 4-letter word and ink is a 3-letter word, so it will not come. So the last word which S-I-N-K, sink. And the new letter which we have, the word which we have created, formed, that is skin. So yes, the correct answer is option D, skin. Then afterward, last one, I-T-E-M, item. Right? So 4 letters. we want. Here it is D, so it will not come. I-T-E-M, so time. Yes, mine will not come, right will not come. The correct answer is B, that is time. Okay, so in this way you are supposed to solve the exercise of anagrams. I hope that you have cleared exactly what the anagrams are. Now we are moving forward to our next portion of this session, that is dictionary work. Okay, so match the column is given to you and you have to search it out from the dictionary that which word will come with what. Okay, so let us solve that exercise. Okay, so now you can see over here that I have written column A and column B, match the following, right? So over here what you are supposed to do, I know that you are thorough with this because you have given such kind of exam, because in exams I have asked you meanings in this way, right? So what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to open up a dictionary and you have to search this word perfect. And the meaning which you see in the dictionary, now you have to find out that which meaning is correct from these one, and then you have to match it with the correct meaning. So that is your dictionary work. So for now we are doing over here, okay, and then you just do it by yourself. Okay, so the first is perfect. Perfect means what? Such kind of a person who is doing everything in a very perfect way without any kind of mistake or fault. उसका कभी भी कोई fault नहीं निकलता है, वो कभी भी कोई भी चीज गलत नहीं करता है, right? So that is perfect. You have done a perfect work, means आपने जो किया है वो एकदम बढ़िया किया है without any kind of a mistake. So इसका कोई option है यहाँ पे that something that is without a fault? Yes, something that is without a fault. So the meaning of a perfect is something that is without a fault. So for perfect that is C. Then after passage. Passage means what? Passage means the area in which you are walking on either side of two. आप जहाँ पे वॉक कर रहे हो वहाँ पे एक साइड या दोनों साइड पे वॉल रहती है और बीच में जो चलने का रास्ता होता है, that is known as passage. In school you are walking, right? So the lobby, that is a passage, right? So either side you have a wall and in the middle you are walking. So such means a long narrow area with walls on two sides, that is known as passage. And students, if you have a good vocabulary, अगर आपको vocabulary अच्छी तरह से आपको पता है, then you can solve it without even opening out the dictionary. आपको dictionary खोलने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी अगर आपकी vocabulary अच्छी है. So that's why we are learning vocabulary now. Before starting any chapter or the poem, that's the reason why we are learning vocabulary. Okay? Now promise. Promise करना means कोई भी चीज आप करने वाले हो तो आप प्रॉमिस कर दो कि नहीं सर्टेन ये चीज तो होने ही वाली है. A statement to tell someone that something will certainly happen by promise. And promise कि ये होने वाला है, believe me. So आप किसी को अगर प्रॉमिस देते हो कि नहीं मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ वो सच है, प्रॉमिस ये जो चीज है वो होने ही वाली है. So that is a statement to tell someone that something will certainly happen. कोई भी चीज अचानक से होने वाली है. So that is option A. Then patience means एकदम धीरज रखना, right? So that is ability to wait for something without a complaint. अपने में ऐसी ability होनी चाहिए कि आप एकदम शांति से किसी का भी वेट करो without doing any kind of complaint किए बिना. So that is ability to wait for something without a complaint. Then permanent means lasting forever, जो हमेशा तक आपके साथ रहे, lasting forever, that is permanent. So in this way you are supposed to solve the dictionary work. And if you don't know the meaning, here I have done, but sometimes it happens, sometimes you don't know the meanings, then you just have to open up the dictionary and you just have to go through the meanings and you will come to know. And that is the reason why we are learning vocabulary first. Okay, before studying any chapter or a poem, this is the reason why we are learning vocabulary, because so after that you don't need to open up the dictionary each and every time for such easy words. Okay, so this was all about dictionary part. Now we are moving ahead with the pronunciation part. Okay, so pronunciation here we have t. Here the pronunciation part we are going to see two pronunciations, that is pt, t, and sk. Okay, so first let us see this pronunciation t. So corrupt, corrupt, t, corrupt, right? Accept, accept, right? Adapt, adapt, then kept, kept, script, script, right? So these are the pronunciation of t, and now let's see the pronunciation of sk, sk. Ask, mask, dusk, sketch, sk. The pronunciation of these is sk and this is t. Okay, then sky, sky, sk. The pronunciation of this is sk and for this is t. Okay, so now as you know, you come to know about the pronunciation, right? Now the exercise which you have, that is circle the odd one out. Now focus on the sounds made by, here I am giving you some example. What you are supposed to do, you are supposed to circle the odd one out. Okay, so the first word is over here, dusk, scheme, task, shrink and risk, shrink and risk. Okay, here we are learning sk sound, sk sound. So this is sk, dusk, scheme, sk, task, sk, shrink, here it is sh, sh. So this is the odd one out. Here it is risk, sk. So shrink is the odd one out. So circle that word. Now the second one is opt, enact, opt, enact, kept, adapt, kept, adapt, swept. Okay, so here we are having a t sound, opt. Here it is enact, ct sound. So this is the odd one out because we are having t sound, kept, adapt, swept. So this is the odd one out. Okay, so in this way you are supposed to circle the odd one out from the given words. Okay, so this is your dictionary part. The sounds which we have learned today is t and sk. So what we learned in today's session, we learned anagrams. That anagrams are the rearrangement of the letters to form a new words are known as anagrams. Then we have done the dictionary part, and then we have done the pronunciation, that is two kinds of pronunciation, t and sk pronunciation. Okay, and the exercise what you are supposed to do, that I also have explained you. So this was all about this session. Now as a part of a revision and as a part of something kind of test part thing, I'll give you some of the questions in the description section. Description section में आपको कुछ question दूंगी, okay? And if you know the answer, then you just have to गिव योर आंसर इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. आपको अगर आंसर पता है तो आपको कमेंट सेक्शन में आपका आंसर लिख के सेंड कर देना है. एंड देन आई विल से that you whether your answer is right or not. If your answer is right, then I will say that yes, your answer is right. So for that you need to see the description section and you just have to see the video first and then you will be able to answer it out the questions. Okay? And still if you have any doubt then rewatch the video को फिर से देखो बार बार, then you will come to know about that. Okay? So till then, bye bye. Thank you. Take good care of yourself.